Orange chicken, guys. Habang naghihintay ako sa kay baby ko, sa school siya, eat muna tayo ng orange chicken. Mainit pa. Favorite ko, orange chicken, general chicken. I love those. Ayaw ni baby ko to eh. So, I bought him some, the small one. Kung Pao chicken. He loves Kung Pao chicken. The spicy one. Ayan. And of course, chow mein. Ayan. Ito yung lunch niya. Kasi this morning, when he wakes up, he keeps saying chow mein, orange chicken. He don't like orange chicken, but he said he likes orange chicken. But I know he likes Kung Pao chicken and chow mein. Yeah, that's why I went to Panda Express before sunduin yung baby ko. Diba? So may time pa ako. Kailangan talaga pag nag-pick up ako ng pag pick up ako kay Carlos dito sa school, kailangan nandito ka extra early. Kasi pag hindi ka nagpunta din ng extra early, it's so crowded, wala kang ma-parkingan. So, ang hirap. Yummy. I love this. I can eat this alone like this. Just the orange chicken and soda. Ayan. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys. Dito sa harapan ko may how do you call that? I forgot. For here, nag-aano sila ng mga used clothes. Ayan o. Kita nyo? Garage sale. Ayun. Naisip ko na. Sorry guys, I think nakita nyo yung shoes ko. Kasi natutumba yung phone ko eh. So, ginawa ko siyang sandalan. And of course, I have my water from home. Last bite. Super yummy. It's so juicy and so soft. Na parang malutong siya. Mix siya. Ang sarap guys. Kasi bago, diba? Thank you guys for watching.